If you are finding the perfect cordless stick vacuum feel like an impossible choice, there are too many options, too many claims, and too little honest information out there, this video is exactly where you need to be. Today, we are breaking down the top 6 cordless stick vacuums of 2026, covering every price range from premium flagships to budget picks that genuinely punch above their weight. Every single one of these made the list for a real reason, and a couple of them are going to seriously surprise you. Stay till the end because the rankings are not what most people expect. Subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a breakdown like this. Now let's get into the list. Number 6, Shark PowerDetect Speed, is the cordless vacuum that finally proves lightweight and powerful are not a compromise. They can exist in the same machine. At just 7 pounds, it covers the entire home without fatigue, and up to 60 minutes of runtime means no stopping halfway through. The auto-empty base automatically empties and recharges the vacuum while docked, sealing dirt, dust, and allergens away for up to 45 days with zero manual emptying needed. The Turbo Pro Detect nozzle with a self-cleaning brush roll handles every floor type with deeper agitation and ultra-powerful hair pickup. 3 intelligent detection technologies sense hidden dirt, floor type, and cleaning direction, then instantly boost suction where it is needed most. The real game changer is Direction Detect, forward and reverse debris pickup, so every pass in both directions actually cleans. Multiflex bends the wand flat to reach under furniture and folds for freestanding storage anywhere. The Shark PowerDetect Speed is the vacuum that genuinely thinks faster than you clean. Number 5, Samsung Jet 75. Proves that a cordless vacuum can be genuinely powerful without being heavy, bulky, or frustrating to use around the home. Starting with the battery, 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime on a single charge is already more than enough to cover most homes in one go. And the ability to simply click in a spare battery and keep cleaning without any downtime is a feature that makes a real difference on busier days. The 200 air watts of suction powered by a brushless digital inverter motor means the cleaning performance stays rock solid from the very first pass to the very last. No fading, no drop in power halfway through, and across hardwood, tile, and carpet, it pulled up fine dust, embedded debris, and hair with 99.3% debris removal confirmed in real-world conditions. At just 6 pounds, moving this around the home feels completely natural. Up the stairs, sliding flat under sofas and appliances, reaching up to high cabinets and window blinds. The lightweight build handles every corner of the house without any effort, and the low-profile design gets into spots most vacuums simply cannot reach. The Turbo Action brush, spinning at over 3,700 RPM with 180-degree swivel flexibility, glides across surfaces in any direction, picking up dust, hair, and debris without resistance or the need to switch attachments constantly. Running through every session in the background, the Jet Cyclone multi-cyclonic system separates debris continuously and pushes it straight into the dustbin, keeping the filter clean and suction consistent no matter how long the session runs. 4 suction modes, including a full-power jet mode, let the runtime be adjusted based on the job, and the digital display keeps everything visible in real time. The Samsung Jet 75 is the cordless vacuum that makes the whole house feel completely manageable. Number 4, Bissell CleanView XR Pet, is the budget cordless vacuum that proves serious pet hair performance does not have to come with a premium price tag. The 300-watt motor delivers 60% more power than leading competitive stick vacuums at this price point, pulling up dirt, sand, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets with noticeably strong suction that holds up throughout the session. The 24V removable lithium-ion battery gives up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime across 3 cleaning modes, and swapping in a spare keeps the cleaning going without any waiting.
At just under 6 pounds, it converts effortlessly from stick to handheld, reaching under furniture, up high surfaces, and into tight corners without effort. The deep cleaning fur brush with an anti-tangle brush roll and LED headlights is purpose-built for pet hair on upholstery, stairs, and car interiors, and a wall-mounted docking station keeps everything stored and charged neatly. On top of that, every single purchase directly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets. The Bissell CleanView XR Pet is the smart budget buy for pet owners who want real performance without overspending.
Number 3. The Dyson V15 Detect is the vacuum that makes every other cordless feel like it was just guessing. The green laser on the fluffy optic head cuts through the surface and exposes fine dust sitting on hard floors that is completely invisible without it. And once you see it, there is no going back to cleaning blind. With 230 air watts of suction delivering 100% carpet cleaning scores and 97% debris removal on hardwood, the performance numbers speak for themselves. The piezo sensor reads particle size in real time and automatically pushes suction higher the moment heavier debris is detected. And the LCD screen keeps a live dust count and battery display visible throughout every session. Up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge covers the entire home without stopping. The Dyson V15 Detect is the cordless vacuum that sets the standard everything else gets measured against. Number 2. Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is the smart cordless vacuum that genuinely takes the thinking out of cleaning and pulls it off beautifully. The iLoop smart sensor automatically detects soiling levels in real time and adjusts suction power accordingly, so the vacuum works harder where the floor is dirtier and conserves battery where it is not, all displayed live on a fully functioning LCD screen. The zero-tangle brush roller handles hair pickup without any tangling, and the one-touch trigger empties the dustbin completely in a single smooth action with zero mess. Pure cyclone technology separates air and dust powerfully to keep sections strong and fade-free throughout. The 5-stage filtration captures 99.9% of airborne allergens, and the freestand charging base stores and charges the unit without any wall drilling needed. The Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is the cordless vacuum that works smarter so cleaning feels easier. Number 1. LG CordZero A9 Kompressor is the cordless vacuum that finally gives Dyson a real fight and wins on battery life by a significant margin. 2 included 25.2-volt batteries combine for 120 minutes of total runtime, meaning the entire home gets cleaned on a single outing without any battery anxiety. The compressor technology is what truly separates this from every other cordless. A built-in lever physically compresses dirt, hair, and debris inside the dustbin, pushing its capacity to 33.8 ounces, which is noticeably larger than the Dyson V11 torque drive, so emptying happens far less often. Real-world debris removal came in at 99% on hardwood and 96% on both low and high-pile carpet, which puts it firmly in premium territory. The freestanding charging dock stores all attachments and charges both batteries simultaneously with zero wall installation needed. 5-layer HEPA filtration locks in 99.99% of dust and allergens throughout every session, and LG Think IQ Wi-Fi connectivity tracks cleaning history and flags any issues automatically. The LG CordZero A9 Kompressor is the cordless vacuum built for people who refuse to compromise on runtime, power, or convenience.